iPhone user looking for a way to save Google Docs files to your device? In this video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily save a Google Docs file to your iPhone in just a few simple steps. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Google Docs app and then tap on the file that you want to save to your iPhone. After that, tap on these three little dots at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap where it says, Share and Export. So now what you want to do next is tap where it says Send a Copy. And then go ahead and choose the format that you want to save this in. You can either save this as a PDF file or a Word file. Once you've selected that, tap OK. And now you have all of these options that you can use to share this file. You can airdrop it, you can share it via social media apps, and you can tap more to see a list of all the available share options. So if you just want to save this to your files, simply bring this up and then tap where it says, Save to Files. And then select a folder or a place where you want to save this file. And then tap Save at the top right corner of the screen. And now that file is saved to your device. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below.